For today's lesson, we're going to be going between vertex form, the form we've been using up until now, with the A and the B, the H and the K, to standard form. There's a couple of similarities and differences I want to make sure we're aware of before we start looking at switching between these two forms. The first thing I want to talk about is the very front of these equations. I see an A and I see an A. These A's are actually the same things. Remember how I kind of called that the slope? Well, these right here is the same basic slope. If that number is bigger than 1, it's going to get narrow and be vertically stretched. If it's less than 1, it's going to get wider. And they do the same thing and it's the same number. So this A and this A are going to be equal. But this K at the end and this C down here, they are definitely not the same thing. They are not the same thing. This K up here is that that Y value for the vertex. Remember, the vertex is an X and a Y. This C down here is the Y-intercept. Now, it is a possibility that these could be the same number, but they are not the same. There's a possibility sometimes they can be the same, but don't rely on that. This K is for the vertex. Anytime the vertex is moved left or right at all, this H is not 1, these will be different numbers. So first we're going to start going from vertex form to standard form, and then after that we'll go from standard form to vertex form.